Chapter 8. Sales Management. Key Sales Techniques and Strategies. The basis of any good sales management lies in various techniques and strategies to engage the prospect, close a sale, and maximize revenues. Some of the major ones are consultative selling. The technique involves understanding the needs and problems of a customer in an approach of cooperation. For example, a salesperson who is selling software might have detailed discussions with the client to tailor the solution to address specific business issues. Solution selling. This refers to proof of how the product or service solves a certain problem, not just the product being sold. For example, an IT solution company could show clients how their system is going to enhance operations and bring in efficiency. Spin selling. The technique makes use of structured questioning, namely the situation, problem, implication, and need payoff questions, to gauge and meet customer needs. For example, this might be when a salesperson asks about their situation, the problems they are facing, how those problems will adversely affect them, and how the product being sold could help in resolving those issues. Value selling. The approach is based on the value brought to the customer by the product, not the features of the product. For example, instead of talking about the technical specifications of a high-end vacuum cleaner, the sales pitch will be saving time and improving cleaning efficiency. Relationship selling. A continuous relationship with the customer is established through frequent contact, trust, and individualized service. An example would be a real estate agent who calls clients from time to time about the market situation and offers individually tailored property recommendations. Sales forecasting methods. A sales forecast is an indication of how much a company might sell in a particular period in the future. This is accomplished by looking at what happened in the past or by analyzing the current market conditions and trends. Important methods include historical sales data analysis. This method projects future sales based on past performances. A good example would be the analysis of sales data for the last few years to project the sales for the next quarter. This assumes that the trend of the past will continue. Market research and surveys. This method projects future sales by gathering data through market research and customer surveys, considering current market conditions and customers' feedback and projecting. For example, surveying customer interest in a new product to predict potential sales. Expert judgment. This depends on the acumen and experience of the sales manager or other experts who are more appropriate to estimate future sales. For instance, a sales manager would use knowledge about industry trends to make a sales forecast. Quantitative methods. There are statistical models and mathematical techniques that forecast sales. Examples include regression analysis and time series analysis. For example, using regression analysis to predict sales from variables such as advertising spend and economic indicators. Sales funnel analysis. A review of the sales pipeline, which projects future sales using stages and conversion rates in the funnel. For example, the number of leads, opportunities, closed deals, etc., are analyzed to project the future performance of sales. Managing a sales team. Managing a sales team includes recruiting, training, motivating, and controlling them toward achieving your sales targets and facilitating the growth of your business. Major elements on this side include staffing, defining the skills, experience, and qualities that will determine the successful sales role. It may also be generating relevant job postings and running assessments for high-performance candidates. Training and development, providing continuous training regarding sales skills development, product knowledge, and understanding of the market. For example, planning workshops on selling techniques or updates on the industry. Motivation and incentives, structuring incentive programs and activities for the sales team, including recognition and reward structures, such as commission structures, bonuses, and contests that enhance engagement and drive performance. Performance management, setting sales targets, tracking performance against these, and undertaking relevant feedback to ensure any deviations are addressed. This includes the review of regular sales metrics and individual performance discussions. Team building, fostering a collaborative, encouraging team environment that keeps them inspired and motivated. Automatically, that will ensure a good working atmosphere. Implementation of a customer relationship management system. CRMs function to enable customer relationships and interactions. This is aimed at improving sales, growth, and general engagement. The main features are CRM systems. It is software applications designed to maintain information on customers and their various interactions with the business, as well as for managing automated sales processes. Examples may include using CRM tools such as Salesforce or even HubSpot for storing customer information, tracking sales activities, and managing leads. Customer information management, collecting and analyzing data about the customer's tastes and purchasing behavior. An example is grouping customers by their purchase history to effectively target marketing and sales efforts. Sales automation. Automate the administrative tasks, such as lead management, follow-up, and reporting, for more efficiency. For example, create automated email campaigns that remind the sales representative to follow up on a lead. Embedded customer service. Integrate CRM with customer service to drive a frictionless experience. For instance, you can integrate CRM with the support ticketing system so that customer service teams have relevant customer histories at their fingertips. Analytics and reporting. CRM analytics can be leveraged in creating reports around sales performance, customer behaviors, and campaign effectiveness. For instance, CRM data analysis to identify the trends and success of the sales strategies and make an informed decision. Analyzing sales performance. An analysis of sales data and metrics has been described as measuring the effectiveness of sales strategies in making decisions. Some of the key metrics and techniques include sales revenue. This is what one gets from selling a product or service. The monthly sales revenue would, therefore, help in keeping track of overall performance and whether such targets are being met. Sales growth. This is the percentage of change in sales over a given period. Comparing year-over-year sales growth can help to highlight any trend in performance and also point out the possibility of a pattern in performance. Conversion rate. This is the ratio of the number of leads/prospects converted to actual customers. Tracking this could show if the campaigns work well. Average deal size. How much the average sale is worth. Knowing the average deal size conveys insight into how much customers are spending and where to adjust sales strategies in relation. Sales cycle length. How long it takes to close a sale, from the initial contact to the final sale. Examining sales cycle length can reflect inefficiencies or opportunities for improvement. Customer acquisition cost. Money spent on acquiring one new customer. This guides the determination of the number of returns on investments in marketing and sales efforts. Sales by product/region. Show the sales performance in terms of the product line or geographic region. It identifies the important areas where many sales can be conducted and the areas that offer opportunities for improvement. In a nutshell, successful sales management encompasses selling techniques, forecasting methods, managing teams, CRM usage, and analysis of performance. Together, these constituents leverage sales operations, enable revenue growth, and pursue the attainment of sales goals.